Ready?
Okay, everyone, this is my friend Sarah, and she's going to make her voice high by eating helium. You guys may know Sarah.
Hello, guys. Let's say hi. Believe me, I know it is.
Believe me, guys, this is crazy.
I know it is. Crazy.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Okay, now you're just gonna get high. Hey, it's Bradley.
Point, guys. Stop the point.
Really stop.
What?
Alright, guys. I'm feeling kind of lightheaded. Step 4! Stop. Bradley, stop. Please stop. Thank you. Can you pick some more stuff of this up? I know you're not going to take me seriously because my voice is out. Put this stuff up.
You guys may know Sarah from Twilight and New Moon in a Nutshell movie.
Yeah, y'all. I wish I could use this for Alice. That'd be so freaking awesome. Wow,
And I am your lovely camera woman, Susanna.
You were just like zooming in on your nose and mouth.
Okay then.
Hi. That'd be bad because I'm babysitting you guys. And that would be a bad thing.
But I'm babysitting too.
Yeah. Okay, screw you.
He's lightsabering me.
Hello. My name is Lizer.
Why does your voice get
Very
high?
fun. I don't know, but it's really cool. I'm Draco Malfoy. You're Draco Malfoy. Draco Malfoy doesn't have a lightsaber. I'm like swallowing glitter. There's glitter inside my skin. And so I'm getting like, my lord, there's glitter.
Stop, Bradley. You're gonna ruin it.
Yeah, I'm kidding. Oh my gosh. No, I'm just kidding. I love you. Oh my gosh, this is fun.
Are we just gonna keep going until she drinks the whole balloon?
Yeah.
And until it runs out, it has to.
This is so much fun. Oh my gosh.
30 seconds you have.
Okay, we did this at Paige's party and we're like, oh my gosh, ow. But Benjamin's voice is really low, so he goes,
Ow.
hi-ho, it's off to work we go. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do, hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho.
15 seconds.
I'm really high.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Ah!